has been a problem for oak trees and tan oak trees all along California's coast. Although there is no chance of killing the pathogen, researchers from UC Berkeley are working to slow it down. Action News reporter Kyla Linville joins us now with more on what this means.
Christopher, this pathogen has really affected millions of oak trees in California, and local volunteers in the Carmel Valley are stepping up to help researchers preserve these remaining trees. Sudden oak death has killed roughly 10 million oak and tan oak trees along California's coastal line, and currently is colonizing 30% of the oak tree population.
It's called Phytophthora ramorum, and it's actually a water mold more closely related to brown algae in the ocean.
The pathogen grows on bay laurel leaves, thriving in warm, wet climates. Through wind and rain, it produces spores and can spread to nearby oaks.
They go inside the tree in the so-called cambia layer, which is the layer that's alive, and it's the layer that's essential for distribution of sugars, into the root system, and it cuts it off completely.
Mateo says this can happen to oak trees that are hundreds of years old in as little as 2 months. A tree can appear to be alive when it may have been dead for years. Volunteers gathered to help in a statewide survey where researchers look for infected areas. Saturday, the second sod blitz out of 25.
We're doing a little teeny tiny part, we think, of helping them get this information of maybe getting it under control.
Andrew and Bobby Wright are just a few of the volunteers who are collecting possible samples, looking for bay leaves with brown tips, yellow leaf tissue, and blackened lines, all signs of sudden oak death. The idea is to collect infected leaves and mark the area of the tree. All samples gathered will be sent to UC Berkeley, where they will be tested and determined if they are in fact sudden oak death. As far as saving the trees,
there's measures that you can take to prevent your tree to becoming infected, and there are measures that we're hoping to try to take to prevent the further spread of the pathogen. But eradication is not realistic.
Research believe the pathogen originated in China and made its way to the U.S. through the plant industry. Christopher?
All right, thanks, Kyla. The results of this project are expected to be published in October.